Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI 11T to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and clicking on the search bar. Now you need to type Send Anywhere and install this app from this developer. Then open it. Over here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then select Send on XIAOMI and Receive on an Android. Now you can click on all of those type of dots and just send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long while though, so I will go with this one photo, just send and click on Got it. Over here we have the connection ways. We can input this key over here and then choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on this scanning icon on an Android, choose Allow in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Now we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!